You're right. There is a whole lot of babies. We got more baby hatching. Oh no. Got a baby in there? No. No baby on that one. Moved it in. See if we got any stuckness. Nope. Let's give him a little bit more time, okay? Give him a little bit longer. And then we'll check back with him, alright? Yes, you're right. We need to add water. It's okay, little homie. Add a couple of drops of water. Belly, you okay, belly girl? Our belly's so old. Our belly's so old, she's sick. She's all old and hurting. Her hips are hurting her. She got problems in her. She got problems with sinuses. These two dogs are from 2011. And they are our guardian dogs. They keep our flock on point, man. Without them, we wouldn't have nothing. God bless y'all. Please like and subscribe. Give us some love. Hit that comment. Hit that like. Hit that subscribe. Show us what you really want to see. Peace. Remember, through God all things are possible. Live your dreams.